a groundbreaking world's best decentralized smart contract project, a truly unstoppable system where anyone can hit $1 million incomes. Friends, this is a long-term system that runs on the Polygon blockchain. Today's video is going to be a life-changing opportunity for you because we will talk about a worldwide system where anyone can invest just $4 and earn $1 million income through both working and non-working methods. Here, you get 30% direct income along with 5 explosive types of income. You will be able to earn unlimited income on top of income and accumulate unlimited USDT. Let's talk about this amazing project. Its name is USDT Basket and its official website is www.usdtbasket.com. It is a decentralized system based on smart contract technology. It is a transparent peer-to-peer system created by the people for the people. What is USDT Basket? It is built on the Polygon blockchain, which is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum and provides a framework for building decentralized applications. dApps. Types of income. Types of income you get here. Number 1, referral income. Number 2, level income. Number 3, referral upgrade income. Number 4, rank upgrade income. Number 5, royalty income. Understanding each type of income in detail. First, referral income, USDT Basket, referral income, entry fee, $4 USDT on Polygon network, referral income, 30%. When you refer someone and they join with $4, you instantly earn 30% of their joining amount, 30% of $4, $1.20. So, for every person you refer, you earn $1.20 USDT. There is no limit. You can refer as many people as you want. Unlimited direct referrals, instant earnings. Second, level income, USDT Basket level income up to 16 levels deep. Total potential level income equal $40,194.50. What is level income? You earn a fixed percent from the income of your team whether you refer them directly or indirectly. Income comes from your team plus spillovers. Income breakdown per level, team size, percent income, total income. Key points: earn from your full team direct plus indirect plus spillover plus up to $40,194.50 possible from full 16 levels. Third, referral upgrade income. Referral upgrade income 4%. Explained. What is it? You earn 4% of every package upgrade done by your direct referrals, from rank to silver to rank 16 radiant. How does it work? Whenever someone you directly referred upgrades their rank, you earn 4% of that upgraded amount even if you haven't upgraded yourself. Example, let's say you referred Rahul and he upgrades to rank to silver, package, $4. You earn 4% of $4, $0.16. If later he reaches rank 4, emerald, package, $16. You earn 4% of $16 equals $0.64. If he goes up to rank 10, master, package, $1,024. You earn 4% of $1,024 equal $40.96. Key points to remember. You earn 4% from each rank upgrade of your direct. No need to upgrade your own rank to earn this income. You earn every time they upgrade, up to rank 16 radiant. This works on all direct referrals, and there's no limit on how many you refer. Fourth, income rank upgrade income, USDT Basket. Rank upgrade income, simple explanation, main points. You start earning from rank 2. You earn when your team upgrades their rank. You receive 85% of their upgrade amount. Income comes from your team level wise as they upgrade. Rank wise income breakdown. Rank 2. From your second level 4 people. Each gives $3.40 multiply 4 equal 13.60. Rank 3. From third level 8 people. each gives $6.80 multiply 8 equal $54.40. Rank 4. From 4th level 16 people, each gives $13.60 multiply 16 equal $217.60. Rank 5 from 5th level 32 people, each gives $27.20 multiply 32 equal $870.40. Rank 6 from 6th level 64 people, each gives $54.40 multiply 64 equal $3,481.60. Rank 7 from 7th level 128 people, each gives $108.80 multiply 128 equal $13,926.40. Rank 8 from 8th level 256 people, each gives $217.60 multiply 256 equal $55,705.60. Rank 9 from 9th level 512 people, each gives $435.20 multiply 512 equal to $22,822.40. Rank 10 from 10th level 1024 people, each gives $87,040 multiply 1024 equal $891,289.60. Rank 11 from 11th level 2048 people, each gives $1,74,080 multiply 2048 equal $35,65,158.40. Rank 12. From 12 level 4096 people, each gives $3,481.60 multiply 4096 equal 1,42,60,633.60. Rank 13. From 13 level 8192 people, each gives $5,100 multiply 8,192 equal 4,17,79,200. Rank 14. From 14 level 16,384 people, each gives $5,950 multiply 16,384 equal 9,74,84,800. Rank 15. From 15 level 32,768 people, each gives $6,800 multiply 32,768 equal 22,28,22,400. Rank 16. From 16 level 65,536 people, each gives $7,650 multiply 65,536 equal 50,13,50,400. Summary. You earn from every team member's rank upgrade. Income starts from rank 2 to rank 16. You get 85% of each upgrade from your team. The bigger your team, the bigger your passive income. Build your team, enjoy your earnings. 5. Royalty income. Royalty income, 9%. Whenever someone upgrades their rank 2 to rank 16, 9% of their package goes into the royalty fund. Important points. You get royalty only for your highest rank, not multiple ranks. Royalties are paid weekly. The total 9% royalty fund is considered as 100% and will be distributed according to the royalty distribution plan. Tip: the higher your rank, the bigger your weekly royalty. Reach honor to earn royalty for lifetime. Simple terms and conditions. USDT Basket. Simple terms and conditions. To start earning, you must refer at least 2 people directly. With 2 direct referrals, you unlock level income up to level 10. Rank income up to rank 10. Want full income up to level 16 and rank 16. You need 4 direct referrals in total. 1 extra referral to unlock levels 11 and 13 and ranks 11 and 13. 1 more extra referral to unlock levels 14 and 16 and ranks 14 and 16. That means 2 plus 1 equal 4 direct referrals to unlock everything. Rank upgrade is automatic. 30% of your every earnings go toward auto upgrade. Manual upgrade also available. Start your journey today. www.astbasket.com. How to connect? Connect your wallet through your wallet MetaMask or Trust Wallet. After creating your account, you can start earning unlimited income. For more details, contact the person who shared this video with you. Thank you for watching.